Hello everyone and welcome to Fortnite. Woo! So we had an incredible year 2019. I'm still getting the dances down and we are continuing that momentum in 2020. We are expanding the Fortnite line, bringing all of your fan favorites from the video game directly to our blasters. So of course this is the SMG. And it already came out, but as you can see, we have features like the spikes, the color schemes, all replicating the blasters directly from the video game. This is $29.99. It's motorized and it has a 6-dart clip. Going on to our fall 2020 items, which we're really excited about. So this is the BAS RL. It's all about that bolt action. So as you can see here, you can hear the power and intensity. I don't have any darts in here, but it has a 6-dart clip in here, and it also comes with 12 darts. Just so as you release, you can automatically reload. And then it also has a removable scope. I don't know about you, but my aim is super terrible. So this really helps out when you're trying to aim at your opponent and blast away. This is $39.99. Coming over to here, our SR. Really enjoy this one. So it's all about that hammer action. As you can see, that back-to-back force. So it has 4 darts that you can put in at one time, but it fires 1 at a time. And it also has a removable scope to it. So this is $19.99. Now, as you can see here, this is something that you don't want to mess with. You don't want to be on the opposite side of this on the battlefield. But if you happen to be, let me tell you a little bit about this. This is the GL. It's a 6-dart drum, and it holds, like I said, 6 rockets. Let me see if I have any in here. I'm going to demonstrate this for you. So you push forward, aim, and fire away, and look at that rocket go. So the rockets, let me see if I have one. If you can see here, they're pretty big rockets. So they're fun to play with. They're a lot bigger than our normal size darts. And this is $59.99. Now, going over to one of the things I like is the micro shots. So we have your fan favorites bringing you Rainbow Smash, Micro Keely. They're $9.99. They come with 2 darts, and then you can fire away 1 at a time. So this is really fun if you want that element of surprise. You can put it in your book bag, your desk drawer, your purse, whatever, and you can immediately start your own backyard battle royale. Now, if you're trying to add some splash-tastic fun to your battles, you can come over here to our Super Soaker. So this is a Pump SG. It is very easy to use. You add water in here, close the cap, and then you can pump away soaking your opponents. But if you're like me and you want that element of surprise, you don't even have to let them know you're coming. You can use our micro soakers. So again, this is beef boss, this is fish stick. You add the water in there, you can pull it from behind and then fire away. Now, if we turn over here to Halo,